Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. So today I will be showing you how I curl a feathered bob. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright guys, so we're going to get started. My client's hair is relaxed and she has a bob haircut. So what I'm going to do now is give her a feathered bob. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video.
I've been winning like I found the perfect cheat code. Social distance, shawty, don't get close to people. Had a lot of problems, but I couldn't keep them. I've been on a so big to wipe out lethal. Switch it up, ayy. Take it slow, bring it back, let 'em know, break it down to the flow, pick it up, let it go, baby. Back on the grind, don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong, I'ma be alright, cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while. Back on the grind, don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong, I'ma be alright, cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while. I catch honeybees, they don't sting like me. I'm resilient, like an apple tree. Always wanted more, they try bother me, but I get money, yeah, like it falls from trees. I just wanna dance, I just wanna sing for someone like me. Dreams don't come for free, but I take my time, it'll come to me. You could have it all, but it's hard to keep. Switch it up, take it slow, bring it back, let 'em know, break it down to the flow, pick it up, let it go, switch it up, take it slow, bring it back, let 'em know, break it down to the flow, pick it up, let it go, baby. Back on the grind, don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong, I'll be alright, cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while. Back on the grind, don't shake my shine. You could do me wrong, I'ma be alright, cause you could try to pull me back down, but it's gonna take you a while. Every single time, what did you make of it? Every day could be a memory you won't forget. Before you die, you gotta live like you were made for this. It's a wild world out there, you gotta go for it, yeah. Woke up every single time, what did you make of it? Every day could be a memory you won't forget. Before you die, you gotta live like you were made for this. It's a wild world out there, you gotta go for it, yeah.
So I'm thinking of different ways to describe light and bringing light, radiant, illuminating. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, I see you in my life, yeah. They ain't gon' treat you, yeah. How I'm gon' treat you, yeah. They ain't gon' treat you right now. I shouldn't really ever have to wonder who you thinking about at night. I know he hurt you, but I ain't gon' to. You can't see darkness when there's light. You can't see darkness when there's light. I wanna be your light. I wanna keep your smile cold and bright, and see that sparkle in your light brown eyes. I see you in my life, yeah. They ain't gon' treat you, yeah. How I'm gon' treat you, yeah. They ain't gon' treat you right. Nah. Shiver me timber, I see you limber. I know you been hurt, but let me fix you up. I'm fixing dinner, won't you come over? You ain't got to spend the night, but let me show you light. I wanna show you light. I wanna show you light. I wanna see you in my life. I wanna see you in my life.
Darkness no longer exists. So when you're someone's light, that means that there's no darkness in their life. And just positive energy and feelings and vibes. So when you find somebody that is your light, you feel nothing but positivity around them and good energy. Ah, damn, she left me on red.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight? Touch you like I do. Who's gonna love you like I do tonight? Touch you like I do. Who's gonna love you like I do tonight? So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?
Hold up, tell me what the hold up is. I'm a little spoiled, I'll be the first to admit it. I'm not used to laying low about my feelings. Tell the world or write a book when I'm finished. I should thank your mama, yeah. Look at
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. Don't worry about my client. She just had LASIK surgery. That's why she's got those black glasses. I hope to see you guys in past, future, and present videos. Love you guys. Bye.
You pull me deep and rapture me, leave me no restraint. And I should thank your mama.